A deeper look into hearing with Alasia Johnson, Sydney Scott, and Christian Satchel.
Hey girl! Here go your stuff.
Thank you, girl.
How was the party last night?
It was so turn. You missed it, girl. And the music was great. Everybody can hear it, and we was able to dance, get our groove. So I was happy, girl. We was lit.
Have you wondered how are we able to hear music at parties, or how are we even able to listen to this conversation? Though hearing is an involuntary action, it has a very complicated process. In this video, we're going to take a walk through the ear canal to see how sound is transduced into the brain. The outer ear, also known as the external ear, funnels sound waves into the ear's opening, called the external auditory canal. The ear canal, also called the external acoustic meatus, is a passage comprised of bone and skin. The ear canal functions as an entryway for sound waves which get propelled toward the tympanic membrane, known as the ear. The eardrum, a membrane of the middle ear that vibrates in response to sound waves. After passing through the eardrum, you will reach the ossicles. These are among the smallest bones in the body. They serve to transmit sounds from the ear to the fluid-filled labyrinth called the cochlear. These tiny bones protect the inner ear by reducing amplitude of loud sounds and equalizes the pressure on both sides of the eardrum to protect it from rupture. The malleus, a bone in the middle ear that transmits vibrations of the eardrum to the incus. The incus is a small anvil-shaped bone in the middle ear, transmitting vibrations between the malleus and the stapes. The stapes is a small stirrup-shaped bone, transmitting vibrations from the incus to the inner ear. The incus is now leading us into the oval window, where our sound vibrations have now turned into fluid vibrations. Stapes opening and closing the door represented the sound vibrations that moved through the ossicles, causing the stape to push into the oval window. We are now following fluid vibrations into the inner ear. The inner ear contains the organs for hearing and balance. The organ for hearing is called the cochlea. The cochlea is a spiral cavity containing the organ of Corti, which produces nerve impulses in response to sound vibrations. It consists of tiny hair cells, which are very sensitive mechanoreceptors. They are activated when moved. They translate fluid vibrations of sounds into electrical impulses that are carried into the brain by sensory nerves. What causes these electrical impulses are action potentials. Action potentials are the passage of an impulse along the membrane of a muscle or nerve cell. When a stimulus reaches a resting neuron, the neuron transmits the signal as an impulse called an action potential. During this process, membrane potential is increased. Therefore, ion permeability is also increased. However, certain ions are more permeable than others. The sodium ion is the most permeable and also the most critical involving the nerve cells. At the peak of action potential, the membrane becomes highly permeable to sodium. When the stereocilia is not stimulated, ion channels decrease and membrane potential decreases as well, causing the cell to become more negative.
I'm gonna have to catch the next party.
Yes, you have to.
I know, and the music be the best part.
The best part. Like, oh my gosh. When you can't hear it, it's so dead.
I know.
So you gotta come, girl. I'm gonna let you know.
Thank you, girl.
Okay.